Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you add money to PayPal from bank account. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up PayPal and log into your PayPal account. So once you've logged into your PayPal account here, so if you want to add money from your bank account, first you just have to link your bank account first. So to do that, it's pretty easy and straightforward. What you can do, you can just hit on this add bank or add bank or card. So just click on that option here, and then once it's here, so what you're gonna you'll get this option of link a bank account. All right, so click on link a bank account. All right, so once you click on link a bank account, once you hit that, so the next page here, you just have to plug in your bank details, your account number, name, and all those details. Once it's done, click on agree and link, and PayPal will verify and link your bank account. So once that's all done, that process is completely done. So what you're going to do next is so next step is just adding money. So what you can do, you can hit on your under your PayPal balance, hit on transfer money, and then here go for the money in, add money to your balance, and then now select the bank account. So if you have linked your bank account, it should appear here. So just select that, hit on next, type in the amount that you wish to you wish to add from your bank account, type in the amount, and then hit on next, and then complete the process, and that's it. That's how you add money from your bank account. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.